Now, champions Mona High hammered Tarrant 8-1 in action from the first round of the ISSA Manning Cup today at Mona High. Demarion Harris and Sean Layton each scored a brace. Harris got the team going in the first minute with an Everton Levy own goal, sending them 2-0 up in minute 11. Layton then scored in the 16th minute before getting his second in minute 35. Robino Gordon in the 61st, Javier Dunn in the 65th and Ryan Gozong in the 75th minutes completed the scoring for the defending champions.
More satisfied with the performance. We focus more on the development and ensuring that the players are doing the right things at the right moment. So I'm more satisfied with how we played and what we tried to do, and everything we practice, we put it on display today. So we're very satisfied.
I'd say a pretty tough defeat today. Gradually, the group is still wide open. I still think we do have the ambition to go through the group, even though we have received such a defeat. Beyond all that, most of my players are very young. At least 10 players on the team are actually U16 players. So they have potential, I'd say.
Over at Charlie Smith High School, the home team hammered Gainstead 14-0. George Pringle and Isaac Brown both had hat-tricks. Pringle got goals in the 45th, 49th and 64th minutes. Brown's goals came in minutes 19, 55 and 58. Quahim Powell also scored a double, getting goals in the 70th and 86th minutes, and Kevin Howell notched a brace in the 17th and 44th minutes. Reese Clayton in the 14th, Stephen Emmanuel in the 27th, Isaiah Lee in the 67th and Rashawn Ross in the 90th were the other goal scorers in the rout. Now, Charlie Smith's assistant coach says the team performed to expectations.
I guess the guys have a lot of confidence coming into the game today, so and they come out and excel. Our next game is a bit of tough opponent, but preparation going forward, we will do good.
Elsewhere, Jonathan Grant beat Waterford 2-0 in their contest. Quashawn Ferron got them going in the 11th minute before Sadiq Donegal doubled their advantage in minute 39.
I think for us today, the mindset wasn't the right mindset. I think we came out here thinking that Waterford would just lie down and the game would be won. We just get the game, we get the 3 points. I don't think we hustled enough. I don't think we fought enough for this game today.
First half was a very poor first half, but I must tell you the second half was a great game. I must say the guys come out and they fought endlessly. The game could have gone anyway. We could have leave here with a point, but it's football.
In other games, St. George's College beat Norman Manley 7-0. Holy Trinity beat Pepin 2-1. Campion ran by Meadowbrook 4-0. And Kingston College, they beat Jose Marti 2-0.